Hello, I just wanted to make a quick video to show how you can use Desmos to make box plots and histograms and even do things like calculate the mean or median for a data set because I shared this in the video lessons, but I just wanted to emphasize if you don't have a graphing calculator, Desmos will make box plots and histograms and calculates means and medians for you. So the first thing you need to do is go to desmos.com. Here's what the opening page looks like, and then you click this big Start Graphing button. The first thing that you need to do is you need to make the data set. You need to define it, and so you have to give it a name, and so let's call it D for data set. So D is equal to, and then you need to put a hard bracket, and then you would type your data in. You can either type it in by hand, or I'll show you how you could just copy and paste it. So if you open a file, here is the worksheet that I asked you to do for 12.3, 12.4. So this was number of shots per game before the shot clock. You can just copy and then paste that into the data set, and there's the data set. And then all you need to do is go to this button down here where the keypad is, go over to functions, and then there's this distributions tab. You can click histogram or box plot. Let's do the box plot first. If you hit box plot, then you need to type in what the name of the data set is, and that's D. It won't appear at first because all of our values are between 95 and bigger, and we're nowhere near that. But if you hit this little magnifying glass, this zoom fit button, it will automatically scale you to your window. So it'll scale your window for you, or you can go up to this wrench and you can adjust the axis and the window for yourself. So there you go. That's how you make a box plot. So that's what a box plot looks like. If you wanted to make a histogram as well, you go back to this keypad, go over to the functions, distribution, choose histogram, and then do D again. It'll do a histogram for you. If you don't want to see the box plot at the same time, you can just click this, it'll hide it. And right now you can see it's not a very helpful histogram. It's because our bins are only 1 wide. Maybe let's set them to be 10. Still not big enough. Maybe if they were like 15, there we go. So you can adjust how wide the bins are. Because if you just do bin size 1, sometimes it just spikes at where all of them are. So you can adjust the bins to make your histogram maybe more helpful. If you want to get things like the mean or the median, then you would type in, well, actually you can use the keypad. If you go to keypad, functions, I think it's under stats. Yep, there's a ton of different things you can calculate. Here's the mean. You do mean and then you say D, and it'll tell you the average in that data set is 119. And then if you do median, you can just type it in, or you go to functions, stats, median, or you just type it in like I said, median D. It'll tell you that the median is 121, which is why you see that the middle line for the box plot is at 121. So there you go. This is just a quick little overview of how you can use Desmos to make our graphical displays in this chapter. Thank you very much.